Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn 11 different ways to earn money online. So let's start. The first one is freelancing. Freelancing means to work as an independent company rather than being employed by someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often referred as independent contractors. Freelancers are hired by other companies on a part-time or long-term basis, but they do not receive the same compensation as a full-time employee or have the same level of commitment to a particular company. Freelancing provides a lot of flexibility and control to the individual. Most freelancers choose their own hours, the work that they do, and the client they work with. Some famous freelance marketplaces for freelancers are Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, and Guru.com, where you can earn anywhere between $5 to $100 per hour, depending on your skill and expertise. Blogging. Blogging refers to writing, photography, and other media that's self-published online. Blogging started as an opportunity for individuals to write diary-style entries, but it has since been incorporated into websites for many businesses. The hallmarks for blogging include frequent updates and formal language and opportunity for readers to engage and start a conversation. Blogging is as simple as obtaining a website and publishing original content on it. Tech-savvy bloggers can buy a domain and build the website themselves. Those not familiar with programming knowledge can create an account with sites like WordPress that simplify the web design and publishing process. You can then monetize your blogs by showing ads to your audience provided by advertising partner to earn revenue from it. And if your blogs are about some kind of product or services, then you can also earn with affiliate programs. YouTube. If you can entertain or educate people in any way, then you should make a YouTube channel to earn money online. The best part is it's free to start a YouTube channel, but it will take a lot of efforts and patience in the beginning. However, in order to earn money on YouTube, you need to prove yourself with quality content on YouTube by getting at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then your videos will be monetized and you will be generating income while making videos on YouTube. You will earn money from ads that will be placed on your videos once your channel is monetized, but the revenue will depend on many factors like where your videos are being watched, niche in which you are making videos, and some other factors. E-commerce store. E-commerce, also known as online commerce or a store, is a business model which involves transactions taking place on the internet. Stores that sell product online are e-commerce stores or businesses. For example, Amazon.com is one of the most popular online stores in the e-commerce industry. Amazon is a platform where you can set up your own digital store and sell products all over the world while sitting in your home. The beauty of e-commerce is that there are more options for you to choose from. There are 4 widely known business models within e-commerce stores are selling physical goods on your store, service-based e-commerce store, digital product e-commerce, and dropshipping store. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing products and services of other companies or persons. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes the product and earns a piece of profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. With affiliate marketing, influencers and website owners place special links or coupon codes into their post. When people click on the link or use the coupons at the checkout, then the influencer gets a small fee as a commission for referring. One of the most famous affiliate marketing program is Amazon Associate. There is also a specialized influencer program as well. Affiliate marketing is a good source of income, and many website owners, bloggers, YouTubers, and other influencers using Instagram or TikTok are making a decent living with affiliate marketing. Ebook. Creating an ebook can be ridiculously cheap, and selling your own ebook can net you anything from several pounds a day to almost nothing. The good news is, ebooks sell for anywhere between $1 to $10 plus, but the store or your publishing platform will take a chunk of each sale. You can sell your ebook for whatever price you like, and you can alter the price to test different tactics, but the ideal price depends on your book's length, reviews, and competition. If you got cash to invest, you could spend money on extra marketing for your book to increase its chances of success. But there are a lot of ways to market it for free, like on social media. Online course. Creating and selling courses online to make money is one sector that has seen significant growth recently. The demand for authentic and credible courses is extremely high, and it is going to grow by 2026. The global e-learning market is expected to reach $400 billion. I believe this is one of the very profitable businesses in today's market, as there are more and more people flock into learning new skills online from their own comfortable place. The reason is that an online course is a type of digital product that is once created and is sold unlimited times, and you wouldn't run out of stock. What an online course creator should do is to do some research on the topic that helps to solve the problem that people are facing in their everyday life. As long as you can help, that means you can get money out of it. It's simply a very profitable thing to do online. Influencer. Influencers also make money on Instagram through commissions on affiliate links, selling merchandise, promoting services of different companies or brands. Influencers on Instagram charge per post, and the amount depends on the number of followers that influencer have. It can simply range from anywhere between few bucks to $1,000 per post. If you have millions of followers, then you can make thousands of dollars a month with your post and the stories. Having a huge following is not easy, but also not impossible, as many are making good living out of it by promoting products in their niche. For example, a makeup artist can be approached by a cosmetic brand for the promotion of cosmetic products, because that influencer will have the most suitable audience that brand is looking for. Online gaming on Twitch. If you love gaming, you probably want to know how to make money on Twitch, especially as you might have heard that the most followed Twitch streamers make an amazing 7-figure per year, like a famous streamer, Ninja, who reportedly earned $1 million for a few hours of gaming. Streamers earn money on Twitch through crowdfunded subscriptions, viewers' donation, and Twitch bits. They also make money from ads, brand sponsorship, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and game sales. Plus, some Twitch streamers also generate revenue from YouTube videos and crowdfunding on Patreon. If you have just started streaming, it can be incredibly difficult to earn money on Twitch, because many of the options discussed earlier will not be available in the start. But few methods which you can use in the start are donations, Patreon, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. Stock photography. Many stock photographers do earn substantial amount of extra cash taking and selling stock photographs. Generally, but not always, stock photographers' earnings are directly proportional to stock photographers' effort. Stock photographers earn a commission every time someone buys one of their photos. It's known as buying a license in the industry. The photographer, which is generally a seller, transfers the photo copyright to the micro stock website, which then licenses that copyright to the buyer and makes the work available for download, allowing them to use it more or less as they see fit. Stock photography commission vary widely by website, total annual download volume, and whether you license the work exclusively to one website or preserve your right to sell through multiple stock photography websites, which is also known as non-exclusive license. Generally, non-exclusive licenses are less lucrative for sellers. If you think you have the skills to capture amazing pictures that sell, then do consider this option to earn money online. Sell designs. If you are a graphic designer, web designer, photographer, or just doing some design artwork, then you can be able to earn some money by selling your work online. You can give selling right to some websites, and they will be selling your designs as a middleman, and you will get a commission every time anyone buys the right to use your graphics, vectors, templates, or photos. This is really a nice source of passive income. Some websites where you can sell your art are Creative Market, Template Monster, FreePic, Zazzle, Redbubble, and there are many others. These were the 11 ways to earn money online. If you want me to discuss any of these in detail, you can write me in the comments. I will surely make a whole playlist about that. And if this video was helpful, please hit that like button, comment down if you have any question, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.